Please explain in detail AP Research Quest framework essential questions and exemplify it. Q. Question and explore. U. Understand and analyze. E. Evaluate multiple perspectives. S. Synthesize ideas. And T. Team, transform, and transmit. The AP Research Quest framework is a holistic approach to academic inquiry and research, designed by the College Board to guide advanced placement AP research students through a rigorous, inquiry-based process. The framework consists of 5 interconnected components. Question and explore. Q. Understand and analyze. U. Evaluate multiple perspectives. E. Synthesize ideas. S. And team, transform, and transmit. T. Here is a detailed explanation of each component, along with examples to illustrate the process. 1. Question and explore. Q. In this phase, students identify a topic or issue that interests them and develop an original research question. They explore relevant literature, resources, and methodologies to gain a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Example: a student is passionate about environmental sustainability and wonders how implementing renewable energy sources could impact a local community. They explore the topic further and narrow their focus to: what are the socioeconomic effects of transitioning to renewable energy in small-town, USA? 2. Understand and analyze. U. Here, students delve into their research questions by critically analyzing available evidence, identifying patterns and relationships, and forming hypotheses. They review scholarly literature, collect data, and employ appropriate methodologies to understand the topic's complexities. Example: the student reviews academic literature on renewable energy transitions, socioeconomic impacts, and case studies of similar communities. They collect data through surveys, interviews, and relevant local documents to analyze the specific effects in small-town, USA. 3. Evaluate multiple perspectives. E. In this phase, students consider diverse viewpoints, interpretations, and theories related to their research question. They assess the credibility, relevance, and potential biases of various sources to develop a well-rounded understanding of the topic. Example: the student examines perspectives from local government officials, environmentalists, business owners, and residents to understand how each group views the transition to renewable energy. They weigh the pros and cons of each perspective, considering economic, environmental, and social factors. 4. Synthesize ideas. S. Students synthesize their findings by combining different sources of information, identifying connections, and drawing conclusions. They create a coherent narrative that demonstrates a deep understanding of the topic and effectively communicates their research findings. Example: the student synthesizes their findings, concluding that while transitioning to renewable energy has environmental benefits and long-term economic potential, it also presents short-term economic challenges for small towns' residents and businesses. The student proposes strategies to mitigate these challenges, such as providing financial incentives and job training programs for affected community members. 5. Team, transform, and transmit. T. In the final phase, students collaborate with others, refine their ideas, and share their research findings with a broader audience. They communicate their work through presentations, papers, or other formats and engage in constructive peer review to improve their research. Example: the student collaborates with their AP research classmates, presenting their findings and receiving feedback to refine their conclusions. They write a formal research paper and create a presentation to share their work with the school community, local government officials, and interested residents of small-town, USA. In conclusion, the AP Research Quest framework is a structured approach to academic inquiry that guides students through the research process, from identifying a research question to synthesizing and sharing their findings. By engaging in each phase, students develop critical thinking, analytical, and communication skills necessary for success in college and beyond.